and welcome to my channel. My name is Tosin Opeoluwa and I am a transformational coach. You might just be browsing to find this link somewhere, or you just search and you stumble on this channel. I want to say welcome because the steps of the righteous is ordered by God. On this channel, what do we do? My focus is on teaching young women about how to make money with their purpose and, even with your gift and your talents. But nothing works without prayers. And that's why on this channel, you will see videos on prayers, on purpose, on faith, on money making, on how to create your world of YouTube or blogging, and much more. The purpose is divided into three aspects because I really want every woman within that age of 30 to really benefit from this channel. So I divided the purpose teaching into three major aspects. Number one, your career. Those who are choosing career paths. Number two, for those who are choosing academic paths. And number three, for those who are taking entrepreneurship paths. Now, on the career path, I teach how to excel in your career. And I took it from the job search to interview to becoming a top performer, even on your job. And for academics, I show you how to choose your career academic path by purpose. How you can make money from grants, from scholarships, how to find scholarship, some wealth of internet and a search database where you can actually find grants, where you can actually find scholarship. I have loaded all of them. I'm willing to give them out even for free. And for entrepreneurship part, I'll show you how to market your voice using either writing book, either blogging, or either making YouTube video. These are necessary and very, very essential. If you are in entrepreneurship field, you need to get your product out there. You need to get your business out there. And why am I qualified to teach this? I graduated top in my class. I'm among the top in my class, both at undergraduate and graduate level. So when I'm talking about academic career, I am qualified to do so. Also, I have over 7 years experience in HR, learning and development, training, consulting. So I am qualified to help you on career paths. Yes. And also when you are talking about the business area, the entrepreneurship area, I was born into entrepreneurship and I've laid my hands on several businesses and I understand the rudiments and I see that the world has changed and it has moved towards video. And a lot of people come to me and ask me this question for free and I keep repeating myself. I said, instead of doing this, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to create this platform to push this out to everyone who really need it. And apart from that, I'm a certified business coach. I'm a certified purpose coach. I'm a certified entrepreneurship coach. I'm a certified CBT coach. I'm a certified purpose coach. I have all it takes to give to my world to change things for our women. You know why I want this to happen for women? I've worked with several women who have been through abusive situation and I realized that they were not empowered because right now I'm also in the field of mental health. I know what women are going through out there. If we can find our purpose, if we can find a life for ourselves, we can truly live the best of our life without depending on anyone who will take advantage of us as a woman or who will abuse us. So I want you to join me live every Sunday, and sometimes I will also produce video that will help you to get to that part. Let's come together, let's learn together, let's grow together, let's pray together, and let's make some money together. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and come back. Thank you and bye for now.